Hi kids, again we're going to be comparing, we're actually comparing rational numbers today. We haven't learned a little bit about it, but I think you guys can do it with your knowledge of decimals and your knowledge of negative integers. So it says here the skull is negative 1 3/10, the mummy is 8/10, the Dracula is 5 1/10, and Frankenstein's 4 9/10. So remember that when the little carrots are going towards the skull like that, it's eating the zero. That means it's saying the skull is less than zero and zero is less than mummy. So think about maybe if these are in dollar amounts, that might help you. This one, it's saying 3 is greater than the skull and the skull is greater than -2. So if you put a -1 3/10 in here, is that true? You might want to create a number line and put them on the number line to help you. That always is a useful trick. Here we have Frankenstein is greater than 5 and 5 is greater than Dracula or the vampire. I think you guys can do this if you use a number line, or go back and look at our notes and use a number line. And remember, anything that's to the left is smaller than something that's to the right.